The second 5 of a batch of 16 brand new Sikorsky S-70i Black Hawk combat utility helicopters has arrived to the Philippines today. The helicopters were flown from Poland by an Antonov An-124 100M heavy cargo and transport aircraft and unloaded at Clark Air Base in Pampanga early this morning. The second batch of S70i Black Hawk is delivered earlier than the Department of National Defense estimated date. The Polish company PZL Mielec, Sikorsky now has delivered a total of 11 Sikorsky S-70i Black Hawk helicopters to the Philippines, with the remaining 5 units expected to be completed before the end of September 2021. Philippine Air Force welcomed its first batch of brand new 6 Sikorsky S-70i Black Hawk helicopters at Clark Air Base, Pampanga on December 10, 2020.